Number 1. 1964 Ford F100 short bed, $3,900, Elk Grove, California. The 1964 Ford F100 is one of the most recognizable pickups of the 1960s, appreciated for its clean styling and simple mechanical design. This short bed example retains its original inline 6-cylinder engine and 3-speed manual transmission with column shift. Front disc brake upgrades improve safety and drivability. Although it has been sitting for several years and needs a tune-up, it remains a promising restoration candidate. Priced at $3,900 in Elk Grove, California, it offers an affordable entry into classic Ford truck ownership. Number 2. 1972 Ford F250 Camper Special, $2,300, Grants Pass, Oregon. This 1972 Ford F250 Camper Special is equipped with the respected 390 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. While the truck is currently not running, the seller describes the body and frame as solid, making it an excellent foundation for restoration. Camper Special models are increasingly sought after for their heavy-duty components and vintage utility. At only $2,300 in Grants Pass, Oregon, this project truck presents significant potential for Ford enthusiasts. Number 3. 1956 Studebaker half-ton pickup project, $4,000, Prineville, Oregon. The 1956 Studebaker pickup stands out for its distinctive styling and rarity. This project truck features a rust-free body, repainted frame, new brakes, shocks, wheels, and tires. The seller had planned a Chevrolet V8 conversion, and the truck includes numerous parts, a new windshield, and a replacement seat. With its straight body and solid foundation, this Studebaker is an appealing restoration project for collectors seeking something different from the typical Ford or Chevrolet pickup. Number 4. 1985 Chevrolet K10 4x4, $5,000, La Mesa, California. The Chevrolet K10 is one of the most respected four-wheel drive trucks of the square body era. This 1985 model is powered by a V8 engine and 4-speed manual transmission, with upgrades that include heavy-duty differentials, steering components, new wheels, tires, and a catalytic converter. Power windows and power locks add convenience. While it needs some finishing work, it remains a capable and desirable classic four-wheel drive truck. Located in La Mesa, California, and priced at $5,000. Number 5. 1968 Ford Ranger Camper Special F150, $4,650, Ponderay, Idaho. This 1968 Ford Ranger Camper Special is powered by a strong-running 390 cubic inch V8 paired with a manual transmission. According to the seller, everything operates as expected, and the engine performs well without leaks. Early Camper Special trucks are becoming increasingly collectible due to their rugged construction and distinctive trim packages. At $4,650 in Ponderay, Idaho, this truck offers classic Ford character at an attractive price. Number 6. 1989 Toyota pickup, $3,500, Santa Barbara, California. The 1989 Toyota pickup is famous for its durability and legendary reliability. Equipped with a 4-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and a clean title, this truck runs and drives while offering plenty of potential for improvement. With nearly 192,000 miles, it has proven its longevity. Priced at $3,500 in Santa Barbara, California, it is an excellent choice for buyers seeking a dependable classic compact truck. Number 7. 1968 Ford Ranchero, $6,800, Riverside, California. The 1968 Ford Ranchero blends muscle car styling with pickup practicality. Powered by a factory 302 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, this Ranchero features a straight body and clean California title. Although it is currently not running due to fuel system issues from storage, the engine starts when fuel is supplied directly to the carburetor. At $6,800 in Riverside, California, it represents a solid project with strong collector appeal. Number 8. 1978 Ford F150 4x4, $7,995, Lyman, Colorado. This 1978 Ford F-150 combines classic styling with four-wheel drive capability. Powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission, it also features power steering and power brakes. A newer engine and electric fuel pump add value, while a few remaining cosmetic and structural repairs are needed. Located in Lyman, Colorado, this truck is a strong candidate for restoration or regular use. Number 9. 1977 Ford F-250 Highboy 4x4, $10,000, Redington, Arizona. The Ford Highboy remains one of the most sought-after classic four-wheel drive trucks. This 1977 example features a rebuilt 460 cubic inch V8, C6 automatic transmission, Dana transfer case, upgraded ignition components, and a new battery. Although the brakes and tires require attention after years of storage, the truck runs and drives. Priced at $10,000 in Redington, Arizona, it offers impressive power and strong collector interest. Number 10. 1947 Ford 1.5-ton truck, $12,000, Ivanhoe, California. This 1947 Ford commercial truck has been transformed into a practical and reliable driver. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 Crate V8 paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, creating a blend of vintage styling and modern drivability. Additional upgrades include a heavy-duty rear axle, oak wood bed, and classic embossed Ford bed panels. Located in Ivanhoe, California, and priced at $12,000, it is a unique working classic with everyday usability. Number 11. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe, $15,000, Dublin, Pleasanton, Livermore, California. The 1972 Chevrolet C10 is one of the most desirable trucks from Chevrolet's Action Line generation. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and turbo 350 automatic transmission, this truck has received extensive mechanical and cosmetic upgrades, including cooling, ignition, exhaust, and interior improvements. Although the factory air conditioning system is currently inoperative, the truck remains a highly attractive classic pickup. Priced at $15,000 in the Dublin, Pleasanton, and Livermore area of California. Number 12, 1946 Ford Jailbar truck, $19,000, Mesa, Arizona. Known for its distinctive grille design, the Ford Jailbar is a favorite among vintage truck collectors. This fully restored 1946 example is powered by a Ford 302 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. Extensive documentation and restoration photos accompany the vehicle, reflecting the quality of the build. Ready for work or weekend cruising, this truck combines classic styling with modern reliability. Offered at $19,000 in Mesa, Arizona. Number 13, 1965 Dodge A100 truck, 800 Redding, California. The Dodge A100 is one of the most unique compact trucks of the 1960s, featuring a forward control design that places the driver above the front axle. This example requires significant restoration and is being sold without a title or keys. However, its rarity and low $800 asking price in Redding, California make it an interesting project for dedicated collectors and custom builders. Number 14, 1950 Chevrolet 5-window truck, $19,500, Littleton, Colorado. The Chevrolet 5-window pickups are highly desirable due to their extra rear cab windows and timeless post-war styling. This 1950 example underwent restoration and features a rebuilt 235 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine, new chrome trim, updated brakes, fresh upholstery, and a restored wood bed floor. Although the steering requires attention, the truck presents well and remains a beautiful collector vehicle. Priced at $19,500 in Littleton, Colorado. Number 15, 1965 GMC Chevrolet C10 LS V8 Custom, $18,950, Beverly Hills, California. This custom 1965 GMC Chevrolet C10 combines classic truck styling with modern performance. Powered by a built LS Series V8 and a recently rebuilt 4-speed automatic transmission, it delivers impressive power while maintaining everyday drivability. Additional features include power steering, power disc brakes, custom gauges, Bluetooth audio, and a refreshed interior. Rust-free with an attractive patina finish, this truck is equally suited for cruising, shows, or daily driving. Offered at $18,950 in Beverly Hills, California.